बुरा भैया एक बात पूछे?
पूछिए।
आपने हमारी बहन का अनादर किया।
रावण की छोटी बहन एक सुंदर सी स्त्री के भेष में श्री राम को अपने वश में करने पंचवटी आती है।
मेरा नाम शूर्पणखा है। राम, तुम कितने सुंदर हो, शक्तिशाली हो। विवाह तुमसे ही करूंगी मैं तो।
तुम्हारा प्रस्ताव मैं मान लेता, पर मेरी एक सुशील और पतिव्रता पत्नी सीता है। तुम ब्याह की बात मेरे भाई लक्ष्मण से करो। वो भी बड़ा बलवान है, बड़ा सुंदर है।
है तो वो भी सुंदर।
मैं तो केवल तुम्हारा हित सोचता हूँ। मेरी क्या बिसात है भैया के सामने। मुझे तुम ऐसी नहीं लगती जो आकाश से गिरकर धरती पर आ जाए।
हाँ, तुमने ठीक ही सोचा। मुझे धरती पर नहीं चलना, मुझे आकाश में उड़ना है।
चलो चलो, मिलवाता हूँ तुम दोनों को। ये रही मेरी पत्नी सीता।
ये भद्दी औरत तुम्हारी पत्नी है। मैं इसे मार डालूंगी, मार डालूंगी, इसे मार डालूंगी, नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मार डालूंगी, मार डालूंगी।
तो हमने आपकी स्त्री का अनादर किया।
Wait a minute.
फिर भी लंका हमारी जली, भाई और बेटे हमारे शहीद हुए, सारी परीक्षाएं भी हमने दी, और जय जयकार आपकी। ऐसा क्यों?
Let me ask the ladies, let me put it in the right perspective. Suppose you were living in Uttar Pradesh, not today, 5,000 years ago, and a man came from Sri Lanka and kidnapped you. Would you like a man who will walk all the way to Sri Lanka to find you, or find a practical solution locally, because anyway he was king? I'm asking you, what kind of man do you want in your life? The man walked all the way, fought a battle, burned down a city to get back his wife. It's not a small thing.
But then he again gave her an Agni Pariksha, he didn't trust his wife.
See,
So, I mean…
we are taking these words literally. Agni Pariksha did not mean somebody has to enter the fire. It meant she was put through some test. Of course, because you're the king, everybody is looking at you as an ideal. How you behave, what you do is very important because the entire nation's life depends on you. Today, our biggest problem is this in the country. This is the Dhritarashtra syndrome from then to now, okay? So, he is setting an example in those days. It doesn't matter, she's pregnant, that means his sons are inside. For a king, his sons are important because it's an empire. But in spite of that, he sends her to the jungle because otherwise there's disruption in the country. You seeing this as a negative thing? I think we need such prime ministers and leaders in this country. No matter what, for the well-being of the nation, they will do what is needed. And then there is a fight, kills hundreds of people, burns down a beautiful city, gets back his wife, comes and settles down. Before this, I will tell you, he goes for a year of penance in Himalayas. His brother asks, "Are you crazy? This man stole your wife and now you're doing penance for his death." He said he had 10 basic qualities, Ravana. Killing those 9, which were horrendous qualities, no penance for me, no repentance for that. But he was also a great devotee and I killed that also. So 1 year of penance the man goes for. This is not a… Why are you reading all these evil intentions in his mind that he did not express anywhere?